Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Jeep Wrangler radio. First, check your vehicle's battery connections to ensure they are secure and free of corrosion. A loose connection can often cause intermittent power issues. Next, inspect the radio's fuse in the fuse box, typically located under the hood or dashboard. A blown fuse is a common culprit for a completely dead radio. Finally, perform a soft reset by disconnecting the battery for about 15 minutes. Let's dive into some basic troubleshooting. Begin by ensuring all wiring harnesses connected to the back of your radio are firmly seated. Sometimes, vibrations can loosen these connections over time. If you have no sound, try testing individual speakers or using a multimeter to check for continuity. Also, consult your owner's manual or the manufacturer's website for any available software updates for your radio system. Moving on to more advanced diagnostics, carefully inspect your Jeep's antenna. Ensure it is securely connected and free from any visible damage that could impede signal reception. If your system includes an external amplifier, check its power supply and signal input. A faulty amplifier can lead to no sound or distorted audio. As a final step for software-related issues, you might consider performing a factory reset on the radio, but be aware this will erase all saved settings. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, a professional touch is needed. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your Jeep Wrangler radio still isn't working, it might be time to visit a certified technician. They have specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to handle complex electrical issues or internal component failures. Remember, attempting repairs beyond your skill level could cause further damage. For more great deals and the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.